Alright kids, Tim here from High End Cheap Tech again. It's pretty late at night. I'm just doing the intro pretty early on this particular video. We're going to do the follow-up today on the OontZ angle-free speaker. We're going to try to keep it short, sweet, play a little music, and I'll come back and talk and tell you where you can buy it at. Let's get to the intro right now. Alright, time for the follow-up and all the dirty details. This thing is fantastic. Simple as that. We're paired up with the PC right now. And I did have some issues the first day I got it because I didn't read this page where it says battery features. Yes. And basically you can charge this while you are using it, and also when plugged in to a charging source, the OontZ angle will remain on until you turn the power off if it's plugged in. But when playing from a battery or from battery power, the OontZ angle will turn off after 15 minutes of not playing any music. So the other day when I was doing the video, well, the last night's video on the P20 knockoff giveaway that we're trying to do, I don't know how many of these folks who've gotten in so far are from North America, but hopefully all of them are, and how many are subscribed, but we'll get back to that some other day in a different video. I mean, I would, click on something and try to watch a video, or try to, replay something, and nothing. I mean, nothing. I'm like, what in the heck is going on? And then I did the old RTFM, as we used to call it in the Navy, read the blanking manual. It's a good idea. So last night, after using it, and using it the night before when I first got it, it only took like an hour to charge. 1 hour. And currently, what I do with it, I keep it over here under my ancient Dell monitor. It kind of just slides right in there. And I'll give you a shot of that. Alright. And it just sounds like you're looking at the monitor and the sound just is there. It's not coming from speakers here and there. It's just there. It's like it's coming right off the monitor. Very, very good. Very, very tiny. Very small. And now that I know about the power thing, I can just reach around and find the power button to turn the speaker back on if it hasn't been used for a while. So that is all I have, but definitely when you get it, read the whole damn manual. It's all in English, and you can learn some good stuff. And on that note, we're going to play a little bit of music here, just to give you an idea, or maybe I'll just show you a video that I did.
The new Kieran has 5G.
Yeah, well, we'll just do this one. You could hear it clear as a bell before.
855 has 5G capability. We're going to go into the reality of those two items. So let's go to the intro first. We'll get to them right after this.
So yeah, it sounds pretty darn good. And I got the volume way down this morning. I don't want to go waking the neighbors. It's Saturday. Nobody needs to get woke up at 8 whatever a.m. if they don't have to be awake. I guess I could play some music. I'll have to find some on YouTube here. Alright, we're going to try one right now. Here we go. Since I'm not seeing a whole lot of
Lost in your mind.
yeah, I'm not seeing anything else. So we're gonna hit stop. Okay, folks, I told you I'd be back. Just do a little talking at the end. Bottom line, is this worth your money? This product? Absolutely. Check the description below. I say that all too often and no one ever reads it. There are links in there. And you can go get it on Amazon for about $24 right now. If you're on Prime, $21.99. And then if you were lucky enough to have a gift card like me, like $19.99 with tax and shipping and all that. Well, there was no shipping. I got it in 2 days. So, one thing I didn't cover in the first video or previously in this one, Bluetooth range. It's rather short when using my desktop, my PC, my little Zotac CR323. That's because I have a AC3160 just kind of tucked in there. On Wi-Fi, it has an external antenna, but for Bluetooth, it's buried inside all those components in the little 2-inch high by about, well, it's actually smaller than the OontZ angle free. God, brain dead. It's early in the morning. Sorry, folks. Just trying to get this done. This is like take 5. So, all in all, this is a fantastic little Bluetooth speaker. It'll free you up from having speakers. And I did use this with my the phone we're recording on. And by God, I was able to walk all over my apartment and not have any issues whatsoever. Upstairs, downstairs, didn't matter. At least 30 feet away. So the OontZ itself has a pretty good Bluetooth transmitter. And obviously the cell phone does too, but it's out in the clear. It's not buried inside of a box. So 6-1, you know, if you have a PC, you're going to probably have the speaker near the PC, so it's not going to matter. I mean, you could have it, you know, like I could put it back there on the stove. I don't know why it would do that, but I could. And it would sound just fine. That's a straight shot, though. So, all that being said, this is a definite buy. And as usual, please look below and you will see the subscribe and the little bell ding should come up right now. And give us a thumbs up. Those are very, very important. Or give us a thumbs down if you didn't like the video or find it informative for some reason. In that case, write a comment in the comments below and tell us why. And as usual, tell us what you want to see on here. Alright, so we're going to leave it at that. Catch you in the next one. Hopefully I'll have another one today, or we'll have a rant tomorrow about something. Or maybe something really cool. Thanks for watching.